Hi, my name is Kate Pollen. I'm taking chemistry 186, and we are discussing cellular respiration and how a cupcake being consumed would be used by the body. So when the cupcake enters the mouth through mechanical digestion by the teeth and the chemical digestion of the amylase and the other enzyme that break down carbohydrates, it is then allowed to enter the body in a broken down form so that the glucose can be turned into energy. The cellular respiration allows for the glucose to be broken down and split into pyruvate, and so that it can be transferred into acetyl-CoA. And this will take away two carbons. Eliminates one carbon and two oxygens, which will be eliminated as carbon dioxide waste. And then the enzyme fuses with the acetyl-CoA to make oxaloacetate, creating a 6-carbon arrangement, which is oxidized, releasing another carbon. Some of the energy is captured as NADH, which is demonstrated in this picture from the pyruvate to the citric acid cycle, releasing the two NADHs and the FADH2, which is the fourth step, where the NADH and the FADH2 are then transported to the electron transport chain, which it synthesizes the ATP through the NADH and the FADH2, which allows for the oxaloacetate to be reconfigured with the two carbons, which puts it back in the citric acid cycle so that it can be used again, so that the cycle can continue creating further ATP through the electron transport chain. There is an oxidation reduction reaction where the electron transfers between specialized proteins in the mitochondrial membrane and the generation of the proton, which is hydrogen with a positive gradient across the inner mitochondrial membrane. And then the positive hydrogens diffuse back across the inner mitochondrial membrane where the ATP is synthesized. And the large positive free energy of ATP synthesis is overcome by the even larger negative free energy associated with proton flow down the concentration gradient, resulting in the ATP, which this diagram demonstrates, where the ATP is created from the glucose and the pyruvate. The glucose is transferred to the pyruvate, resulting in ATP, the citric acid cycle, resulting in ATP, and the oxidative phosphorylation, resulting in ATP, the phosphorylation of NADH and FADH2. I will attach my resources to my submission, and I guess that is it. Excuse the squeaking that happened during this video. That was my little man. He was just very excited that Mommy was recording. Thank you so much.